Welcome. My name is Peter Strong and I provide online therapy via Skype. Skype therapy is a very good choice these days, especially if you want to take control of your own recovery process. If you want to learn how to manage your emotions more effectively yourself without relying on medications or years of therapy with a therapist. During these Skype therapy sessions that I offer, I will teach you how to work with your emotions using mindfulness. Mindfulness is an amazingly effective way of working with emotions and also with thoughts. Many people who come to me with anxiety and depression and problems with overthinking, basically, chronic worrying, rumination, and all forms of reactive thinking that seem to be at the core of their emotional suffering. You probably have experienced this yourself, where the mind cannot seem to let go of reactive thinking, and it pulls you down into anxiety or depression. So mindfulness therapy is a very, very good way of breaking this cycle, basically. And it does it by teaching you how to change the relationship that you have to your mind, to these thoughts and emotions. The main problem is that people are not aware of their reactive thoughts or emotional reactions. When the reactive thinking gets triggered, we tend to become totally identified with it. And when you become identified with your emotions and with your thoughts, you essentially lose control and they begin to take over and dominate your emotional health. So we learn to change our relationship to our mind, and we do this by actually finding those reactive thoughts and finding the emotions that power those reactive thoughts, and then we actually meditate on those thoughts and emotions using mindfulness meditation. So mindfulness meditation in its pure form is about meditating on the mind, on thoughts, emotions, beliefs, memories, trauma, and all the other components that constitute our mind. It's a way of becoming the observer of your mind instead of becoming lost in the flow of contents of mind. So this is the primary focus of mindfulness meditation as I teach it. And when you apply this kind of mindfulness meditation to work on your anxiety or depression or addiction or intrusive thoughts, you begin to regain control. When you have established the right kind of relationship that's not reactive in this way with your emotions and thoughts, then you can begin the process of healing and helping those emotions change fundamentally so they no longer cease to, they no longer cause you emotional suffering. You can break free from your anxiety, you can break free from your depression once you start developing a conscious, mindful relationship with your emotions. So if you'd like to learn more about Skype therapy using mindfulness, then simply go to my website and email me, and we can schedule a Skype therapy session. People like therapy via Skype because it's so convenient, and it's definitely more comfortable for you, the client. It's more focused on empowering you, on teaching you powerful practical methods to work with your emotions. It's less clinical in nature, and it does not advocate the use of medications. Medications do not treat the underlying psychological cause of anxiety or depression. Medications simply provide a temporary and often not very effective relief from the symptoms of anxiety and depression. But we want to get to the heart of your emotional suffering. We want to heal the underlying cause of your anxiety or depression. And that's the whole focus of mindfulness therapy that I teach online over Skype. So if you'd like to learn more, simply go to my website, and if you'd like to schedule a Skype therapy session with me, then send me an email. Thank you.